Hello everyone, Simon here from CreativeTradingSystem.com. I'm making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get it started. So week started on 28th, right, Monday, and this is my first trade. You can see the entry is right there, buy order is right there as I'll move to break even plus with the yellow mark here, and this is the entry arrow showing that the EA took the trade, right? So buy here and from here to here, 105 pips. All the trades are taken by my expert advisor and the robot, right? Automatic robot. It opens the trade automatically, plays a sell 25 pip hard sell. On 7-minute chart, it's only 20, sometimes 15, sometimes 20. 20-minute chart is always fixed 25 pip. So if I lose 25, maybe it's 5 pip, 10 pips here, there, right? Because when the price move up a little bit, then I move my SL alongside, right? It's not a trading stop, but just to sit on the break even as soon as possible. So most of the time my SL hit when I'm at break even, so I don't lose anything. But sometimes, it's like moving the, like from 25 to down to maybe like 15 pip, 10 pip, and then SL hit. Like I said, the most of the time at break even. And if not, then I go distance like this, right? And you see more distance. So let's, for example, this is 105 pip. Now this one, the next trade is the gold, 150 pip right there, the entry, exact by the book entry, with my setup, and came down all the way here, 150 pip on the 28th. On the 28th, this is pound USD from 7-minute chart, and this is the entry here, and came down to 65 pip seller orders right there, taken by the EA. And this is Euro Yen, 95 pip, beautiful entry from the 7-minute chart, right? And the price makes the turn, and then first entry, I take it. You can take the second as well, but then we miss a lot of people. So the first entry is the best one. Sell orders right there, right? And then you see the same kind of thing. Euro Aussie did the same thing. Look the similarity. Okay, this is Euro Aussie. It was up above the red line, all the EMAs, and then all of a sudden they dropped, and then this indicates all the way up. Blue candles going in, coming, red candle coming out, right? Watch this one. This is a trade before, Euro Yen. All the EMAs were above red, then came down below the red. This indicates all the way up. The blue candle turned red, and my expert advisor opened the trade. This is a setup, and this is how it is, right? Of course, it worked with the 40-minute chart as well. So, but yeah. So now this is Euro Aussie for 75 pip. Then again, Euro Yen. The second entry, it was dropping big time, right? So from here, I got this entry and then came down. My SL survived somehow, and 75 pip seller is right there on the 29. Now this is on the 29 again, pound yen. You see, all the setups are exactly the same. Above the red line, all the EMAs is bullish. Came down below the red line, all the EMAs are aligned. This indicator all the way up. And blue candle going in, red candle coming out. My EA opened the trade. SL is moved to break even plus. Sell orders right there. Supposed to 55 pip. This is pound yen 7-minute chart. Now this is pound USD, and it is on the 29th. This is from 20-minute chart, 70 pip here, right? Same kind of setup. Now, this is a USD CAD 7-minute on the 29th going to the upside, and this is on the 29th, sorry, yeah. So buy orders right there as I'll move to break even. Plus, this is on the 30th Euro Yen. Beautiful entry here, and look how many pip it's here. Right? 170 pip on the 30th. And this is gold 150. The first entry all the way. I had to shrink the chart because it wasn't fitting on the screen. So this drop here for 250 pip on the 30th. Again, gold, this one on the 30th. This is the second. See, me trading gold from my computer, from my account, and Omar is also doing it. So sometimes when I take it, I tell him, Omar, the gold is dropping. I took the entry, and then he goes and then he takes the second entry when it's available. So you see a couple of trades that same day. So this is 330 pip sell orders right there by the book entry here, and then drop big time here, right? Then gold going to the upside again. This is to the upside, and 200 pip to the upside on the 31st. And here, Nasdaq going to the upside from here to here. It's this entry from 40-minute chart, by the way, right? So Nasdaq is just messing around. So I took this one on the 40-minute chart. 340 points in Nasdaq. On the 31st pound yen from 7-minute chart, this was bearish here, and then all of a sudden, I had my reversal candle on a 40-minute chart, and boom, it went up. 7-minute entry, and then 150 pip to the upside, right? And then the 7-minute, basically, it is. Let me show you at the end of the video, right? And then on the 31st, Euro yen also going to the upside for 180 pip. And this is USD yen 75 pip. This order is right there by order. And then you see the USD yen from 20-minute chart. Earlier, the 7-minute was from here or here, but this, this was like earlier 190 pip going to the upside on 31st, right? After that press conference and the rate decision for yen got very weak, and then this is what happened. And then pound USD from 7-minute chart, 130 pip to the downside. Here, sell order is right there. All of these trades are taken by this expert advisor, Robot. Pound yen, 170 pip to the downside. This is what happened when in the first August, and this is after the NFP. You know that, right? And then pound Aussie dropping for 65 pip on the first Friday. And then gold going to the upside after that. And then 420 pip. Look at that. This beautiful entry here and gone with the wind on the first. Today, Friday. Not today. Today is like 3:30 a.m. on Saturday morning, right? So Nasdaq dropping also big time here, and then this is 340 points to the downside. This is USD yen coming down for 190 pip, right? After NFP, this is what happened to these yen pairs in NFP. All went down. Yen started, getting very strong as USD was getting weaker. And Euro yen 7-minute sell order is right there, 440 pip to the downside. Like I said, all yen pair went down. Euro Aussie went up from here. You see this from 7-minute entry all the way to the upside here. But 7-minute chart looks big, but it's 7-minute chart, so it's only 100 pip here. Right now, pound yen from 20-minute chart. We saw earlier this one, and then look from 20-minute chart, 215 pip. This baby went down big time. So these are, like 23, 24 trades this week. Very, very good week. Now volume is going to be coming in more and more. And hopefully in August, is going to increase a lot more, right? Summertime, June, July is always slow, but then it picks up in August, right? So we're starting August already. Today is going to be the 2nd. And let's see what happened. Now, let me show you a couple of, like, for example, gold, right? Gold for 420 pip. Let me show you what happened to gold. So this is the chart I made 30 on the 31st, means Thursday, right? The before, and I said that this thing is going to be bouncing and going from here and then maybe more to the upside. But I was expecting that it will go here, 78%. So 61, 23, 78, that would be a Gertle pattern. But Gertle pattern can be a fair Gertle in times, right? So what happened today, it was going to the upside, and then we have NFP that make the dollar weaker, and then gold went up crazy, right? So this chart turned like this, and that's why I had that 420 pip trade to the upside in gold, right? Long trade. We just saw a little while ago. Let me show you again. Gold, 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 gold. That's the one, right? So it was boom. Look at that. Beautiful entry, right? So I was expecting that, and I had it made. Similarly, I had a lot of 40-minute chart. I usually make the 40-minute chart and then post on the Telegram right here, right? So see this, like, for example, I post videos and all of that. This is, let's say I posted here. This is gold, right? So I posted this gold here, and then I said possible setup if it stay above this, and then it stayed above and then went up big time. 500 pip, because the daily range for gold is 600 something, right? So if it moves, then it moves for 600 pip every single day. So this is the chart I posted on the USD yen, and then I had that 190 pip USD yen trade earlier. Let me show you. USD. Yeah, here we go. See, this is what it is. So for that, I had this. I posted on the Telegram like this one that's gonna drop USD yen, right? And then this one I have pound USD go to the upside, so it went up, and a lot of them, it's like this one was like going to the upside, it went up. So the 40-minute chart, let me show you here a couple of them. For example, I made this euro yen that's gonna drop on the 31st. And then really what happened today, not today, but Friday, but boom, came down. And I just showed you the, short entry in euro yen, your trade, right? It was here after this, I think, right there. See, 140 to the downside because I had the chart already made that it is going to go down. Similarly, I had the USD chart, USD yen, sorry, that's gonna drop. And how much it dropped? All the way here, 47.71. And I had a 190 pip to the downside, right? Similarly, US dollar index, I had this that, it's gonna go down somewhere. Maybe it's gonna drop here to 23% line, and then it's supposed to be going there, right? X, A, B, C, D, that's harmonic pattern, and then Elliott wave count, wave 1, ABC 2, go for wave 3 to the upside. So what happened to this chart, if you look at it, this is what happened, right? So it went down 23% line and then straight up to this. Then it went down after NFP, right? But yesterday, this is actually on the 31st, right? So Thursday, it went up, and then Friday, after NFP, it dropped actually. Right. So these are the charts that, and like I said, that gold is supposed to be going to the upside. And what happened? This and gave me 420 pip in my entry chart. Beautiful entry right there, and then all the way to the upside. Right. You can see here that how much it's from 31.10, it went up to 33.60. Right. So this is how it is. So this is what I have the system, right? It's available on my website if you want to learn the system or get a hold of it. And of course, you need to learn the system. So you want to maybe, subscribe monthly, or if you want to learn the whole business from A to Z and become master of it using these EAs and robots and all of that, then sign up for one-on-one and I'll make you master of this business. Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, national level, trend line, channels, this, that, everything, right? So you will learn all of that. 10-hour Zoom course, and you will not need anything else to learn in this business ever again. And you can take these trades. I mean, I showed you the trades, right? So maybe 24 trades, right? So even if I say like maybe if you take 4 or 5 trades like that, that would be, enough for you for the week, right? More than enough. So, and it can be very easily done, but you must learn, right? So you learn, once you learn, then it becomes very easy, right? So here's my website here, and then you can go and we have different things. This one, oh, this one is like combo deals, right? We have a combination of, the several things, harmonic pattern course, Elliott wave course, this is that, combo 1, combo 2, combo 3. And then we have here one-on-one coaching is right there. Our monthly subscription is there, and then blah blah blah. You can just come and serve, and then take whatever you want, right? Whatever suits you and your needs. So, like I said, that I would recommend a one-on-one or combo 3 that you have everything there, and you will become master once you learn the right thing. It's very important to learn the right thing from the beginning. If you learn the wrong thing and then you try to correct it, it's very hard because your mind always go back to the wrong ideas and wrong things. And then people, what happen? You repeat mistakes, right? So it will become very easily. So if you learn the right thing from the beginning, and then you all like your belief system, right, has all the right things, right ideas, then you will always have you will follow those ideas always, and your mind will follow that, and you will have positive trading. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. And this is my free Telegram where I post update. This is not my this is not the Telegram which I have especially for the subscriber where I put the setups on. I post all the 40-minute chart setup, but this is just a free Telegram for anyone, and I post after charts here that this is what happened, this is what I said, and this is what happened. So if you're interested, then you can come and join. That kind of Telegram here, right? So you want to see how I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, and then how many trades I'm taking, and I'm keep posting, and then videos and all of that. Then join the Telegram, and also subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.